it will start on the first step. We don't want to rush it. We want to give emphasis on the training, on the preparations, and hopefully yung goal namin is tumugma na yung conference with the addition of the new guys, Abu and Joseph and David, and of course with the help of our import, plus the improvement of the other players, the other role players like James, Jerry, Aris, and yun yung talagang goal. I mean, I support goal to that, and yun yung task namin yan as a team, that is to go into the playoffs, deep into the playoffs, and hopefully go back into the finals.
Pressure ba yung
Every conference naman there's pressure, Jerry, and every conference that's the goal, sabi ko nga kanina. Pero syempre, medyo yung mga players naman natin, medyo sanay na rin dyan eh. And the coaching staff, we know na prepared kami for this every conference, and hopefully yun lang ang pinagdadasal talaga namin is healthy kami lahat throughout that conference. Wala sanang major injuries, because that's what happened for the last few conferences, that we have some injuries on our major players, so yung mga key players namin. And yun yung isa sa mga dasal at pinagtutuuan na namin pansin ng medical staff na we're healthy for the whole tournament.
Rookie ba kayo?
Right now, ang pinaka-rookie namin si Joseph eh. Actually, hindi sila man rookie yan. Bumalik lang siya. So, wala. I mean, yung mga rookies na pick namin, naglalaro ngayon sa 3x3 namin. And that's part of our recruitment. That's part of our yun yung sistema namin ngayon. Because we have a hard time also to get players in the draft, because minsan nasa number 10, 11, 12 kami, and we're trying to ma-improve yung team namin through trades, and yung ibang players naman na nakuha namin sa drafting, trying to pumunta muna sila dun sa training grounds namin, or training team namin, which is the 3x3, the likes of Joseph and Jed. Yan yung mga inangat namin, and they have mas madali para sa kanila mag-adjust, because everyday naman nakikita-kita yung mga yan. Sa 3x3 practice and before our 5x5 practice, so yung chemistry nandun na rin. So yun yung pinaka recruitment namin, kung paano kami mai-improve yung mga players namin from that 3x3 saka mas iaangat na.
Coach, pinakamalaking takeaway mo dun sa kita doon dito sa...
I think it's the commitment of the whole team, or each of every players. We talk about, before the start of the season, we talk about that commitment. We talk about the improvement of every aspect of their games, not only on the stat, but those things outside the stat, like the effort, even yung aming composure, yung aming patience sa officials, patience with each other. So yun yung mga in-improve namin, those things na wala sa stat talaga. And I'm very happy because even the coaching staff, yung patience namin with the players, with the officials, nag-improve. So dadating naman yung aspect ng mga nasa stat na, like rebounding, turnover, points, everything. So, but I'm very happy with the way we play in the preseason, and hopefully madala namin yan sa season ngayon. And that's the goal naman eh. Yung makuha namin yung mga nilaro namin doon. And number two is the consistency on that commitment. Because these players, walang hangal. I mean, they work hard. Yun lang, we're trying to remind them every time na magre-relax sila. So, nire-remind lang ng coaching staff. But wala akong masabi with regarding that commitment and effort every single